Whoa, crazy time skip. I don't remember when the last time I did one was, and I started the video before I checked. Here's where I'm at now. I finished painting the Disco Inferno sign. That's at school. Completely painted. Goal for tomorrow is to get that mounted, actually. I don't, because then we can start working on poking lights through, and I think that's a pretty good, reasonable goal for tomorrow's practice. We didn't have school today, and activities got canceled on Tuesday, so we've missed 2 days of practice, which isn't great. But at least it's done and at school. I'm currently working on sketching the bathroom. This is the flat that has that was like one piece that was wrapped over. So this is going to be the Disco and the continuation of the Disco Inferno pattern. The problem with that is I forgot to measure out where it is so it'll line up. I do have the scale models, or the scale model drawing, and that's accurate. But I don't want it to be like an inch off, because that will be pretty conspicuous. So I'm definitely going to measure when I go to school tomorrow. And then these bathrooms, I have a scale model for. I was being pretty smart about this. Instead of trying to sketch out the scale model based on where it is on my phone, I just traced it on my phone. So the scale is a little bit different than it is with Disco Inferno. But since those don't have to line up with the Disco Inferno pattern, I'm not too concerned about it. Because this has a centimeter to a foot. And the other ones are something dumb. So, what else needs to happen? Prop work, we have to have a meeting about that, because a lot of that stuff is just like papers, which pretty easy to make. And especially since they don't have to be like conspicuously anything except for the contracts, I think. That should be pretty easy to get done, and that's stuff that other people can do. The contracts I'm probably going to end up making myself, though. There are a couple... What I have to go through the script and look at is what scenery we need to imply a different location, because there are 14 distinct places that we're supposed to be in this, which isn't great. So I've got to go through and do that. I'll probably do that during biology or something. But yeah. I also have to read Hamlet in 2 weeks. That's not related to anything. That's just kind of where I'm at right now. I was also asked to do props for indoor. I haven't gotten word on what that's going to be yet. A little stressed out. I feel kind of bad because I took today as like a break day. I just hung out with my boyfriend and had a really nice, cool, relaxed day. I don't want to regret that. But yeah, I think that's pretty much where I'm at. We've got to figure out how to get the Disco Inferno sign to stand up, which is going to be what I work on at rehearsal while other people get it mounted. Hopefully, that's the plan. Yeah. So, anyways, I'll maybe update on how it's going after practice tomorrow. After indoor tomorrow, which is after when we have rehearsals. I'm a little bit losing my mind.